Okay, so I went to the thrift store and got a really good deal. It was a dollar day, 50% off day. So these were I found these. These are sick. I thought they were VHS boxes. Look at how cool. Little handle. They were 15 each, so they were actually $7.50 each. Take that off. And there's two of them. They're so wicked. I've never seen a box like this before, ever. They're so cool. Well, you open it by sliding these. And when I opened it the first time at the store, I was like, oh my God. I didn't even look through them. I saw what it was inside, and I just grabbed them. So this is how it opens. And look what's inside. Oh my God. Look at what's inside. Wow. 38 special. Alan Parsons. Awesome. Awesome. What's in the other side? This is the first time I've ever gone through this box, so I don't even know. I see Pet Benatar. Holy crap. Look at this. How cool is this? This was the side that I saw, because the first thing I saw was Led Zeppelin, and I was like, yep, that's coming home with me. And check it out. That's not a tape. A regular tape. That is something. Well, maybe it is. Look at that case. Wow. That is so cool. That is so freaking cool. Supertramp. Nice. Foreigner. This is the best. I've got a whole nother box to go through too. This is so cool. Wow. Wow. So awesome. Rush. Sweet. This is sick. Pat Benatar. Oh, that is awesome. It has been so long. And these are awesome. There's not even a stitch of dust on these. These are such taken care of so well. And yes, the tapes are in here. Oh, look at that beautiful. Almost brand new, looks like. Promises in the Dark. Look at that. 1981. So sick. Oh, love it so much. All right, so let's check and see what's in the next box. Oh, that's just awesome. All right, try this box. Let's see what's in here. So worth it. Oh, look. Wow. Wow. Oh my God, so cool. Billy Joel, The Stranger. Sweet. Another Pat Benatar. Awesome. Rush. Oh, look. That looks like a compilation. Can't really see what it says. Wow, look at that. Man, this is a freaking blast from the past. Triumph, etc. Oh, I love this. I love it. It's on the other side. Paul Simon. Billy Joel, Piano Man. Wow. Billy Joel. Eddie Money. REO Speedwagon. Oh, what is this? Oh, how funny. This is so cool. Wow. Private Music of Suzanne Ciani. Ciari? I don't know. Neat. Neat. I love it. I'm really sick about the Billy Joel. That's just awesome. That's awesome. This is so sweet. Oh. GQ Disco Nights. Nice. I love it. So do you think it was worth the $15? I think the these alone, the boxes alone are worth more than $15 for sure. Oh man. But that's all I spent for all of that was $15. The Habitat for Humanity Restore here, which is awesome. It's where I get the majority of my stuff. It's where I got all of my furniture. And they are constantly having sales, so I just absolutely adore it. What do you think I should do with these? Think I should break them up and sell them off by themselves? Should I sell it as a set? Should I keep it? What should I do with these? Let me know. Let me know. Oh, and just so you know, I don't have kids. It's just a box. That's not even my box. I have never bought a pamper in my life. All right, let me know what I should do with all these awesome tapes. You know, I do have a tape player that's still in the box over there, see? So, what should I do? Let me know.